Everybody loves a good DIY barn door, and today we're going to show you how to make one from an interior door. Hey there, Remodelaholics, I'm Cassidy. Welcome back to our DIY channel. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for new tutorials every week. Today, we're talking one of the biggest trends in home decor right now, and it's one that I really love too, barn doors. While the sliding barn door started out as a more rustic style element, barn doors no longer look like they came from an authentic farm. This beautiful barn door we saw at a local parade of homes here, built by Millhaven Homes, had nothing rustic about it. It was such a beautiful door. In our tutorial today, our contributor Sarah from The Created Home is sharing how she turned an old interior solid core door into a gorgeous herringbone barn door for her laundry room. And all it took was a few 1x4s and some 1/4 inch thick plywood. Start by cutting the side frame pieces. Lay the 1x4s on the door and mark a cut line. This saves some measuring and creates an easy, accurate cut line. Cut and glue down the pieces, clamping for a firm hold. Repeat for the top and bottom frame pieces and middle column piece. Rip the plywood into 4-inch strips using a table saw. Cut a 45-degree angle at one end of each piece, then mark where the other angle cut needs to be. These will be inlaid in the frame, so you want a snug fit. For an extra professional look, Sarah rounded the long edges of each of the inlaid pieces using a trim router. This looks amazing and also helps to create uniform spacing between the pieces. Mark and cut each piece to fit tightly, then glue in place. Use brad nails and a weight to hold them in place while the glue dries. Fill any gaps, including a door handle if you have one. Rather than trying to fill the large hole entirely, Sarah glued a thick wooden dowel into the hole and then used Bondo to fill in around that. Then the entire flat side of the door was sanded until it was nice and smooth. Almost done. Now is the time to paint the door whatever color you choose. Sarah chose a beautiful blue called Demo Day from the Magnolia paint line, and it is perfection. Leave us a comment and tell us what color you'd paint a barn door for your house. Finish the job by hanging the barn door with some beautiful hardware. Sarah's door required additional spacers due to the extra thickness of the door. Get the link to our favorite affordable barn door hardware and the spacers below in the description box. Now pat yourself on the back for a beautiful job well done. Doesn't that color look amazing? Don't forget to give Sarah a big thumbs up and comment below to let her know she did a great job. And thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos here too, and we will see you again soon. Bye guys.